Hello, I'm Rin. Today I'm going to introduce arithmetic progression. At the beginning, let's talk about a short story. Gauss. He was one of the greatest German mathematicians in the world. When he was 9 years old, his teacher gave a question in the math class. The question is, ask them to add 1 to 100. When other students still add the number one by one, Gauss already got the right answer. The teacher was so surprised. How did he find the answer so fast? Actually, he just used a smart way to get the answer. It's called arithmetic progression. So, what's the arithmetic progression? Let's have a look. A sequence of numbers in a certain order is called a sequence. The arithmetic progression is one of the sequence, which is that from the second term where the difference between each term and its previous term is the same constant. This constant is called the common difference, and it's usually represented by the letter d. The summation of arithmetic progression is usually written as Sn. Now, let's move to some important formulas of arithmetic progression. The first one is defined formula. As we can see, the formula is nth term minus n minus 1th term equal to common difference d, and the n need to greater than or equal to 2. Here are some examples. The first one is 1 to 6. Let's calculate its common difference. We can say 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. So we can get that common difference is 1. The second formula is the general formula. We suppose that it has an arithmetic progression. The first term is a1. Common difference is d. Let's calculate nth term. Because it's an arithmetic progression, so we can use its defined formula. The second term minus the first term is d. So the second term is the first term plus d. The third term is the second term plus d, equal to the first term plus d equal to the first term plus 3 minus 1 times d. So we know the nth term is the first term plus n minus 1 times d. So from this form, we can get that if the first term of an arithmetic progression is a1 and the common difference is d, then the nth term of the sequence is given by that the nth term is the first term plus n minus 1 times d. Another important formula is the summation formula. We suppose that it has an arithmetic progression. The first term is a1. The common difference is d. Let's calculate the summation of arithmetic progression. From the general term formula, we can get those two equations. Adding both sides and the two equations, all terms of d can be cancelled. Then we will get 2 times Sn is n times the first term plus the nth term. So we can get that the summation of arithmetic progression is Sn equal to n times the first term plus the nth term over 2. Let's return to the beginning question of Gauss. How to add 1 to 100 fast like him? We can use the way of summation formula. The summation is n times the first term add the nth term over 2. In this question, the first term is 1, and the last term is 100, and n is 100. Then, we can use this formula get the answer is 5015. Okay, this is arithmetic progression. I hope it can make sense for you. See you next time.